Aunty Zu nak tutup cerita pada hari ini dengan memberi satu cerita. Okay, this is a story about a young man, an old wise man, and a small tiny bird. Cerita ini adalah berkenaan dengan seorang lelaki tua yang baik, seorang anak muda dan juga seekor burung kecil. Have you heard about this story? A story about an old man, a young man, and a little tiny bird. Belum kan? Belum dengar. Okay, bagus. Tuan-tuan dan puan pernah dengar tak cerita ni?
Bapak tak dengar lah.
Bapak tak dengar? Betul kan? Jisa dah pernah dengar. Okay. Belum. I rasa pun tak pernah lagi, sebab saya pergi program motivasi apa-apa pun saya tak pernah lagi dengar cerita ini diceritakan. Cerita ini saya dapat lama dah masa saya belajar dulu. Saya belajar dekat luar negara, dekat Amerika. Lama dah, I think like 30 years ago. So cerita ni macam ni. Once upon a time, in the old time ago, in the village, satu kampung yang aman damai terletak di pinggir gunung. Kampung ini berhampiran dengan hutan, hutannya di pinggir gunung. Dia banyak pokok-pokok, dahan-dahan kayu. And in this village, macam kampung kita lah, kita pun ada pokok-pokok, kita pun ada bukit-bukit sebelah sana, dan kita juga ada anak-anak muda, young men in the village. So in this group of young men, there is one young man who is very naughty. So this young man ni naughty sangat. Macam Haji Sir.
Yes.
Tu yang seronok ceramah depan mak bapak. Okay, tak apa, okay. So Haji Yusuf boleh jadi the old wise man lah kot. Okay, so this young man very naughty, and he has a group. Let's say Imran, Ehwan, Hakim, Akif dan Haziq. Mana satu yang dia ketua? Kita pilih Haziq. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. So ni contoh saja ya. Aunty tahu Haziq orang yang baik, bukannya naughty. Tapi contoh saja. So Haziq as the leader of this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of you. And Haziq very naughty. You all love to go to the jungle and catch small birds. Ini you punya hari-hari kerja tu je. Kadang pergi sekolah, kadang balik sekolah, buat benda tu. Kadang poting sekolah, pergi ambil burung kecil-kecil ni, pergi main lastik, pergi bunuh burung-burung kecil-kecil ni. And then tiba datang a wise man, Haji Isa. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Macam tu. Ada kelakar tu kan, apa nama? Assalamualaikum. Tengok. Boci apa salah? Okay, datanglah Haji Isa yang a wise man. Dia tengok, setiap hari dia perhati anak-anak muda yang diketuai oleh Haziq ini telah pergi dan bunuh burung ni. Haji Isa selalu bagi nasihat. This wise old man always give advice to the naughty boys. Bukan you all, orang lain. And up to one point, the young boy becomes so irritated. Haziq got so angry. Why do you think that you're so clever? Kan? Do you think that you're so clever, telling us what to do, telling us how to play, telling us how to lead our own life? Kenapa asyik sibuk pasal kita punya hal? Suka hati kita lah nak pergi main dalam hutan, nak pergi bunuh burung. You sibuk apa pasal? So now the young boy and the group is going to get back at you. So Haziq kata, come on, let's go and bring a small bird to the wise man. And today we are going to prove that he is not clever, he is stupid. And how are we going to do that? Haziq agak macam mana? Haziq kata, today we are going to put a stop to this wise man. We are going to prove that he is not smart, he has to stop giving us advice. So you and your group discuss together. Okay? And you says that, okay, we are going to bring a small bird and I will put in my palm. I will ask Haji Isa, do you know what I have in my palm? Haji Isa akan jawab apa? Oh, betul Haji Isa. So Haziq dengan kawan kata, we will go and surely he will know that we have a bird. Dia mesti tahu kita ada burung dalam tangan. Sebab setiap hari dia tengok kita duk pergi tangkap burung-burung kecil-kecil, anak-anak burung ni. Kita duk main sampai lenyek, sampai mati. Haji Isa bisa tahu, you have bird in your hand. Then, I will ask Haji Isa, I will ask the wise man, is the bird alive or dead? If the wise man says, what is your answer? Gone already, dead already. If the wise man answer the bird is dead, I'm going to open my palm and show, hey, you're wrong. You're not clever. The bird is alive. So you are not so clever. Stop bothering us. Stop giving us advice. Tak perlu pun nak bagi nasihat. You pun tak pandai. What happened if the wise man cakap kata burung tu masih hidup? Apa yang Haziq nak buat? Ni nak buktikan kata wise man ni tak pandai. I'm going to squish the bird. I akan penyet dia. I akan bunuh. I akan buka. See, the bird is dead. Either way, I am going to prove that he is not clever. Yes. So you all laugh. 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 So you are so smart. These boys are so smart. They are going to prove that the wise man is not wise, not clever. In fact, stop advising us. We want to do what we want in our life. So Haziq pun bawa lah. Genggam tangan you. Genggam semua orang, genggam tangan. Genggam tangan semua. Okay, semua genggam tangan. In your hand, you have a baby, a small, tiny bird. Remember this story about a young man, a wise old man, and a small bird. So, you all gather together and go and see this wise man. So, you ask.
Is the bird.
What do I have?
What do I have in my palm?
Okay, jawab. What do I have in my palm? Aziz tanya. Small bird. Very true. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Tak cukup kuat. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, betul. Dia tanya lagi, is the bird alive or dead?
Is the bird alive or dead?
Is the bird alive or dead? Okay, so Haziq is going. Haziq and the naughty boys, not you not naughty, or the naughty boys is going to show that the wise man is not wise at all. You know, this is a wise man. You're talking about Haji Isa, Ustaz, Haji Faizi, Tuan Khairuddin, and so on. These are wise people. Takbir, Allahu Akbar. So you know, what did the wise man answer? The wise man say like this to the naughty boy. The life of the bird is in your hand, dear. The life of the bird is in your hand. You can let it fly freely and explore the world, or you can squish it and kill it, just like your own life. Your life is in your own hand. You nak jadi apa pada diri you? You punya suka. Itu adalah di dalam kawalan you. The life of the bird is in your hand, just like your own life. This is the answer of the wise man and the boy and the group. They were so ashamed of themselves for trying to prove that the wise man is not good, not stupid, and so on. So they feel so ashamed of themselves, and they realize that their own life, masa hadapan mereka, bergantung kepada diri mereka sendiri, bukan bergantung kepada orang lain. Mulai daripada hari itu, mereka telah bangun menjadi orang-orang yang baik, terus berusaha keras menjaga hubungan dengan manusia dan menjaga hubungan dengan Allah Ta'ala, terus menjadi insan-insan yang berjaya di dunia dan di akhirat. Sekian daripada saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Sekian saja. Terima kasih. Minta maaf kalau ada silap kat mana-mana, terlebih semangat ke apa. Minta maaf banyak-banyak. Saya banyak kekurangan. Segala baik daripada Allah Ta'ala. Sekian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.